Ever looked at your home and thought, this could be so much more? I help homeowners right here in Toronto turn those ideas into living spaces that are not just stunning, but truly functional, tailored to your life, your style, and your dreams. My name's Torsten, and I'm the founder of Nomad Conceptions. For over 30 years I've worked alongside people who want more than just cabinetry. They want craftsmanship, personality, and a space that feels perfectly theirs. What sets me apart? I don't just hand off your project to a team of strangers. I personally oversee every detail, from our very first chat to the final touch. This isn't assembly line stuff. It's handcrafted, bespoke millwork, built to last, with precision and pride. I take time to get to know you and your vision. Whether you're a homeowner, designer, or architect, I'll guide you through a seamless process. A complimentary consultation, a tailored design, and a detailed project plan. Once you're happy, I get to work, handcrafting every piece, then installing it for you on time and within budget. Don't just take my word for it. Emily, a Toronto homeowner, raved. Torsten and the Nomad Conceptions team transformed our kitchen and created a walk-in closet beyond anything we imagined. And James, an interior designer, calls me an indispensable partner on his high-end projects. So if you're ready to make your home truly yours, with cabinetry and millwork made just for you, let's have a conversation. Visit nomadconceptions.com, call me direct or drop me an email. I'd love to help bring your vision to life.